FDIC 2024 is in full swing in Indianapolis. Please visit the Federal Signal booth to see the new Pathfinder PF400. The Pathfinder PF400Q is a 400-watt programmable siren and light controller with 4 100-watt independent audio channels. The PF400Q is packed with features such as multi-tone capability, integrated rumbler traffic clearing capability, along with OBD integration. Equipped with FS joint technology, the PF400Q provides the capability to synchronize warning lights to create a unified vehicle solution. The PF400Q also features the traditional trademarked Q siren tone, providing a distinctive, recognizable tone for your emergency vehicles. The PF400Q is easy to install and incorporates convergence network configuration software to provide a high level of customizable control capability. For more information on all of our products, please visit our website at fedsig.com.